Hey everyone, welcome to another XDP manufacturer Q&A. Today I'm here with Chris from BD Diesel, and we're going to be talking about the BD steering upgrade kit for Duramax applications. So Chris, what are some of the common signs of failure in the OEM steering?
Common failure signs are the end links wear out and also the tie rods wear out, but most commonly known is the tie rods will actually bend. They have a too small a shaft here, and so we build a heavier duty shaft.
And what are some of the benefits of upgrading the OEM tie rods and center link?
Well, some of the benefits, we'll start with the tie rods. You have the heavy duty greasable ball joint and also a greasable CV joint here. It actually gets its grease through the center link. But the biggest thing is the thicker shaft here. The factory ones are known for bending and causing your wheels to toe in and stuff like that. So we have a much thicker adjustable shaft here. And then our end links over there, they have a thicker shaft as well and some good bushings on them. The factory ones are, again, thinner and tend to actually just bust right off. So those ones won't do that because it's a thicker material. And then we have our heavy duty center link here. So our heavy duty center link keeps the same geometry as the factory one with this drop down here. Some people just use a straight rod, which changes the angle of the actual tie rod and actually wears it out quicker. So we actually kept the same drop in our center link, so you don't have that problem.
Now, what is included in this steering kit?
Well, everything you see right here comes with it. You get the two heavy duty tie rods, the heavy duty end links, and then the heavy duty center link here.
So what makes the BD steering kit different and makes it an upgrade from the factory components?
Well, the heavy dutiness of it, right? Like the tie rods, like I mentioned before, a much thicker shaft, heavy duty ball joint, greasable ball joint, and same with the CV boot on this end. All greasable, actually gets the grease through the center link here, goes in the end here. And then again with the end links, heavy duty, much stronger than the factory one. So thicker shafts and stuff like that.
And finally, is there any other modifications that would need to be made to make this fit?
You don't really need anything else to install this kit. We try and design our kits at BD Diesel to fit and be installed in your driveway if you need to. So it comes with everything you need, and we keep the factory geometry like I mentioned for the center link. So everything should fit and be installed at home, no problem.
Well, that's going to do it for today. A huge thanks to Chris from BD for coming in and giving us all the info we need on the BD steering upgrade kit. Get one for your vehicle at xdp.com, and we'll see you next time.